Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. In this series, we are talking about our contact organizer add-on. Previously, I showed you how to modify the email template for organizer notification. And today we're gonna look at the same topic, but for users. So we're gonna modify the user notification template and we're gonna take a look at how it looks in the inbox. So for that, as always, we need to go inside our contact organizer form and then we will switch to contact attendee notification. So in here we will find the default template provided with our plugin itself, and you will also find all the tags and the shortcodes you can use with the email template on your right hand side in this sidebar. And let's open a new page with our front end side. Then we will go inside an event and let's open an event. So let's open the form as well. So you see this is our form that we have in the front end side. This contact person mobile number, of course, a custom one that we created in our previous videos. So now let's talk about the tags over here. I have described them briefly in our previous video as well, but I'll go through each of them once again. Contact person name. So this is a form field that fetches the value from here. Contact person email, another form field. Contact person message. So that's this one over here. And user ID, the logged in user who is sending the query to the organizer. The metadata, this will list out all the values for custom inputs you have created on your form. So no need to include them one by one. And then we have our event ID, the ID for the event that user are sending the query about. Then we have our event title, the event title for the event that user are sending the query about. If you have looked closely enough, you will see the event title is being used over here in the title section as well for our email template. But leaving that, we have organizer name. So that's the organizer name who is organizing that particular event. And then we have our organizer email that pretty much self-explains itself. Then we have our event post meta. So this key over here, or this shortcode, will take a parameter named key, and that will print out specific event details from the database. So as an example, you see we have event post meta key as event location. That will print out the event location field from the event details into the mail, right? And then we have our contact person mobile. So this is the custom field we have created previously that you can see over here for the shortcode associated with it that we can use in this email template. No matter how many custom fields you create in the website or in the contact form, they will be all listed over here with a description according to it. Then we have a little tip over here that says you can use a prefix or a suffix with all of the shortcodes over here to provide a prefix to the printed value of that shortcode and a suffix to it. So that's pretty much self-explained itself, but we can of course take a more look into it later on as well. So this is our default template. As you can see in your screen, now you are seeing the email template in action at our inbox, how it looks by default. So I'm not going to show you how to modify or how to write content for the email template as well. I am pretty sure you guys are far better than me on writing email templates on this scenario. So how you can modify this template, you ask? You can just modify them as it is by modifying those text and using these shortcodes over here, or you can even use HTML tags to include your branding, your logos as well. To give you a better demonstration, let's include a new string with a shortcode from here. So let's take the event URL shortcode and we will paste it over here with a string. Now let's paste our shortcode. So we're going to save these changes. As you see, I have included a new bit of text over here with a shortcode. Now let's go ahead and submit a query from here and we will see how it looks in our inbox. As you can see, I have typed my details over here, such as my name, email address, and mobile number, and my message. So now let's click on this button to send my query. So now you are seeing the mail that we receive for ourselves saying we have successfully submitted a query for the event. So we have our title saying your inquiry for the event title. Then we have our name by greetings, and then you can see our usual thank you message and our custom string over here that you can visit this URL for more details, and our shortcode printed event URL link over here. And then we have our another thanks message, and at the bottom we have regards from the organizer. So this is how you basically modify the contact attendee notification template and include custom stuffs into it. So feel free to use HTML tags, modify it, use it as you like, and let us know in the comment as well. I hope this video gave you a little bit of idea how to modify or how to get started with modifying the notification template for attendee or for the organizers as well. If you found it useful or liked it, leave a like in this video, subscribe to the channel. Being that said, I'm Sharad signing off. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.